There's some music playing in the background, so I had to do a voiceover. But today, here you see it, I'm installing some RAM air intake scoops. You're gonna need a T15 Torx bit. Remove it right there and right there. Make sure you get it in the correct hole. Once those are removed, you're then going to use a pry tool to get up these two. They're just little clips that go in. And then you're going to want to remove this in the back side. And this in the front. Once this is removed, you'll then have access to your RAM air intake scoop. This is the left side. It literally slides right in, and this is the right side. Fairly easy to install. So reinstallation is reverse order. Put those back in, you'll be good to go. And let's see how they look. Oh man, I think that looks great. Red too. Here's another different lighting. All right, y'all.